It's time! Christmas time, guys. It's December. It's time for the holiday looks. I wanted to do a Christmassy look because I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of year. As you guys know, I'm in Australia visiting my fams. I'm gonna do a green look. Okay, it's gonna be green. It's gonna be mean. So let's get it on. I was inspired by this look. This one. How pretty is that? I was like, ooh! So I'm gonna try to recreate something like that. It's by makeup artist Florian Fuel. And I guess he was inspired by a Christmas Beatles. So let's do it. Start out. So I bought this. It's like a bra strap with these clips on it. Oh, guys, the way that it just lifts and snatches your face. I mean, I don't actually really even need it anymore because I've had Botox, but like, not that you need that, but I don't know, I just like it. It makes it so much easier to do your makeup when it's snatched, you know? So, I don't care about the presents. So you section your hair up like that. You take a little piece and you that, and then you take the strap. Oh, look at that. Giving supermodel. And see how it makes the crease further up. It lifts the crease so that I've got more space to work with. So some people use the tapes, but I don't like them because you can see the tapes. I'm about the deception, you know? I don't want a lot for Christmas. Oh, I'm so sorry. Actually, you know what? I'm not. No matter how many times I hear that song, it is just the best. So first things first, I'm the realist, but I'm gonna use this new brush set that I got from TiIiIiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiShe's a makeup artist from Australia and she went viral recently for the latte trend makeup that she started. And anyway, she's got her own brush brand called TiIiIiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiii And then when you want to travel, when you want to travel, you just snap it shut. And then there's this little hole in the middle for you to like put, you know, your blending brushes, your puffs. Oh, it's really fully sick mate. So I'm gonna get into this makeup and it's actually very bare skin, but since I stopped breastfeeding, my skin has gone to absolute shit. Like it is just breaking out like everywhere. I just want the coverage these days. Like there's nothing I can do, no amount of overnight overhaul. That baby just sucked my titties dry. I don't want a lot for Christmas. They've sagged, my skin's gone to shit, I'm putting on weight, like thank you, darling, you know? So I'm back on the glam wagon. There's gonna be a more full coverage version of that because you can like fully see her eyelid imperfections. Like she doesn't have eyeshadow on, but I'm gonna be doing it now. Get yourself a neutral palette. NARS always does great quads. Like every year they do like a variation of these. This is the Laguna one, which j'adore. I'm gonna grab my blending brush and take, I guess this is the Laguna. Oh, hold on, I need my eye patches. BRB. Silly me. Oh, that sounds so wrong. But yeah, just washed them. Come on, to catch any fallout because I've already done my foundation. So I'm putting these over the top. These are silicone, so they don't like take off your makeup. They can just kind of sit on top without absorbing anything. My Jisoo lip oil on for a bit of hydration. Okay, just gonna use a matte through the socket. Look at that, perfect. Must have this palette. I don't know if they still sell it anymore. Sometimes I go to like link my favorite palettes and NARS always just does limited edition stuff. Wish they would leave this as permanent. Okay, now I'm gonna use Danessa Myricks Mattes Color Fix in Blackout. Seems like a really good base for a smoky eye. So I'm gonna use this little tiny smudgy brush. I'm gonna use that on my eye. Just on the outer half of the eye and then blending it out and up. Like that, and flipping the brush to connect it underneath. And then because I don't know how much time we have to work with for blending those, I'll take a clean brush, soften that out. Ooh, that looks good already, right? Okay, other side. There. This one's not as good. This side, I mean. Anyway, that'll do donkey. Then maybe I'll build it up with a little bit more. Because this is like, this color fix is, you can use it for anything. Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? You can use it as eyeliner, you can use it as lip gloss, blush, lipstick. She uses it all different ways. By she, I mean Danessa, obviously. So I'm using it on a little liner brush now to just make sure I'm getting it in amongst my lashes. So I've got the black there, okay? It's on. And then, I don't know, got something to peel. Daddy. Sorry. This is the Louvre palette from Lancome. It has this really nice green in it that I think will work well, although in the video the makeup artist was using like a crayon stick. I do not have that, but it looks really nice and reflective from certain angles when you put it over the black. So I'm gonna take my dirty old brush from TiIiIiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiiilll take the rest you smudger again. I'm gonna tap in to that green. Oh yeah, it's so pretty even in the palette. Just gonna go right on top. Wow, it's really like loaded up on that brush. Wow. That's so nice. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. And so yeah, once you peel that off, see how it caught a lot of the green? It's like a scarab beetle or something, right? It's so stun. I love it. Blending it lower and in. Take a bit of the foundation because I just want to tidy up that. Yeah. That's the stuff. I feel like I made this one longer than the other one, so I'll cut it. Just gonna soften out the part over my eyelid with that flat shader brush. That's so pretty. Cool. Then a nice smudgy kohl. I'm gonna use that right in my lashes. So to do that, what I actually do is like place it in the outer waterline and then shut my eyes over the brush and then let it just drag through. Then some mascara. Love the Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water. Some of the lashes on my right eye have like overgrown. I literally want to see the difference. Like I want to trim them. I really want to trim them. I know that's bad, but I want to trim them. Concealer, my trusty Bobbi Brown Skin Full Cover Concealer. I'll pop that on under my eyes, get some brightness going there. Cover those breakouts on my damn cheek. Smush it in. This brush is the Real Techniques one, by the way. Love it. See how well it covers? Oh, that wing is just too pretty. I really, really like it. And that eyeshadow has that kind of shifting quality, so under certain angles looks a little bit different, which I think is really pretty for the holidays and definitely very on trend. There's so many of those duochrome, multi-chrome products out there these days. Well, not really duochrome. I guess like a gray and green. Do you know what I mean? I do think I should put some lashes on because it's such a beautiful day and I'm gonna go to the beach after this, so I'm taking this makeup off. So I'm like too lazy, but at the same time it's my job and it's like I shouldn't be lazy, but so I'm gonna use some tiny little clusters from, are they clusters? Yeah, I guess these are clusters from House of Lashes. So this look doesn't go to waste, I'm gonna take so many selfies. You guys are gonna get sick of this look if you follow me on Instagram. Do you follow me on Instagram? I'm checking on you. Do you wanna be on the naughty list? Because you have to follow me to be on the nice list. Oh my God. Sad I don't get sick of that song, but I'm annoying myself now. Fill in the gaps on these long ones. There you go. I'll do 3 on this eye and 4 on the other one. So this is the side with some long ones and the others doesn't have long ones. And I've got an uneven amount of the long length left. Stick where I put you, you little shit. There you go, filled in those gaps. Now other eye, and I've got 4 of these ones left. So weird, I had an uneven number left, which indicates that I made a mistake on a previous makeup look. Okay, medium ones now. Ta-da! Now, I'm gonna use this palette. This is a nice holiday palette. That Hourglass one that everyone lost their shit over is great. I love it. Been using it pretty much non-stop since I got it. It's just got everything I need in there. bronzed. Bronzer will be a nice addition to this look. You know, the annoying thing about these palettes that they come out with every year is that I want one every year, even though I already had all the individual blushes and powders, because every year they come out with like an exclusive one that's in there, so you've got to buy it even though you've already got the other ones. It's like, it's psychological warfare, okay? I kind of want to get rid of all my Hourglass singles because I've got doubles and triples of each of the powders anyway from all the palettes that I've collected. So maybe if anyone's like okay with having some of my old Hourglass powders, I would happily send it to you. I might do this over on my Facebook group, Modern Muses, so I'll link that below. Yeah, if anyone wants them, like, I'll send you some. Might pick a few people actually so that it's not just one person. It's kind of the motion of sweeping the bronzer on has taken off some of the coverage over my pimples, but it is what it is. Okay, then this blush, I want this blush on the cheekbone. Because the pimples are pink, the blush is pink. It's kind of doing the work for me a little bit of concealer. Now I don't want to put highlight on my cheeks because I've got those breakouts right there. So I'm gonna use that Lancome Louvre palette, just doing here and above my Cupid's bow. Love doing that one. The little Got Milk highlight. Here, my brows. Dunsies. Now I wish I could do my cheekbones, but concealing the ones here on my cheek with a bit of NARS Pot. Going super light here because I just want to neutralize the over pinkness little by little until you can't see it anymore, and then take your blush brush, pat over the top to blend it. For lips, I'll just use Lip Alchemy because I want a bit of a plump look. I'm almost out of this one. Come on, buddy, you got it in you. There you are. Oh, it's a girl. Now I don't know if you know, but this is a daily lip mask with a bit of color and with plumping in it. So it's miraculous. It's the perfect pink nude, not sticky, so light and nice on the lips. Look at that. Look at that. I'm obsessed, clearly. Now, I'm pretty sure the look is done, but I don't think I've told you guys about our Sereni sets because you can get 20% off our products when you purchase them in the bundles, and we've got all different types of bundles. So we have the Siren set, which is all of our products, 20% off when you buy it like this. Same with, we've got the Complexion Perfection Duo for everyone that loves Overnight Overhaul. It's 2 overnight overhauls with 20% off. We have the Trio, which is our 3 best sellers. So you can get a Lip Alchemy, an Overnight Overhaul, and an Eye Renaissance, 20% off. Then we've got the Bestie Bundle with 2 Lip Alchemy because people are repurchasing Lip Alchemy and Overnight Overhaul a lot. So we did the bundles for the holidays, but we did the double sets where you can get 2 Lip Alchemies and 2 Overnight Overhauls for 20% off because we have a lot of repeat customers and people that like to stock up on those specific items, or you buy one for you and a friend, you know, that kind of vibe. So definitely check that out. I thought I would give myself a shout out. We ship from Australia now, so you get them like literally within a few days, and it's much cheaper shipping. So support my business. That would make me very happy. That's my Christmas wish. Oh, let me take out this. I put some of that pomade stuff that they sell these days, and you can actually see it, I see, which is not a desirable side effect. Love this Orbe little comb. It is so good and useful, so incredible. You can tease with it, you can get your parts with it. Oh my god, you can smooth with it. I love it so much. Totally a splurge, but I bought it on Nordstrom and I use it a lot, and I ended up using it constantly, so Now I'm gonna add a bit of burgundy lip pencil from MAC around the edge, just lightly. For a little holiday pop. Oh my god. I've been raw dogging my ears. I need earrings. Oh my god. Let's put these ones on, shall we? The Eclaton earrings. These are festive. Oh, they're like little bauble, like Christmas ornaments. They're pretty. I just feel like they match a holiday look really well. The look is speaking to me. I might just stay in it all day and go to the beach like this. Oh my God, you guys, I feel like I need to address this. So it's a tooth gem. I guess you would say it's permanent or semi-permanent, like you can get it removed, but it's not coming off. It's been like 6 months. I thought it would kind of fall off when I ate. Because a lot of people said, oh, mine came off in like 6 weeks. When I bit into something, it just came off. No, mine is still there. I went to a party where they had someone doing it for free. And I was like, yes, I had already had a few drinks. I didn't think about it. I didn't think, oh, does it suit me? Like I'm not the kind, I don't have any tattoos. I only have piercings in my ears. This is not me, okay? It's not me. It's still there. Like, and you have to go to a dentist to get it removed and just, I'm not about to do that. What if I just, no. Like, she's here to stay. No, it's not something stuck in my tooth. It was intentional, although I did make the decision under duress. Not cool. Shit. All right, that's it from me, you guys. I'm gonna go make myself a sandwich, take a bunch of selfies because I really like this look, and say happy Christmas, happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, happy whatever it is you guys celebrate at this time of year. Is there any other like celebrations this time of year? Happy winter, happy new year, happy summer, happy wet season, happy dry season. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Okay, I'm out. Me and my gemstone are out. Have a good one. Bye.